Hello, my friends, and welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. And for all of my ride or dies, as I said, welcome back. Today will be the reveal and the finishing of my series, My Office Purge, Clean, and Refresh. So we're going to finish up today. So there's a little cleaning to do, and then there will be the reveal. It may not look like a lot has been done, but if you've been following, if this uh, part one and two, you've seen the bags of stuff that I have um, either trashed or donated. So it's pretty organized, and I'm pretty proud of it. It feels good, and that's important in your home. It feels good in here. We all know that organization is not a one-time thing, and neither is cleaning. So that's why we're back to doing this again. So I'm going to invite you to either clean with me, put me on the TV, and let me inspire you to tackle a space in your house that has been overwhelming for a minute. And the way to do it is in bite-sized pieces. You don't have to do it all at one time. I did not. This is part 3 of this series. So I'm going to invite you to come on in and let's get started. So today, friends, I am doing the cleaning. I've purged, I've changed some things around. I've thrown lots of things away. I've also blessed others with lots of stuff as well. So today we're just cleaning, and then I'm going to show you how everything turned out. Now, a heads up and a spoiler alert, I did not change the bedding. I like what it looks like, the black and the white, and I am of the adage, and I'm becoming more and more that way, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So this works for me. You guys know I love black and white, and I can always add a pop of color. There is some yellow in here, and there's lots of green with the greenery, so it works for me. And there's no need to change things if you like it. You get something the way you like it. It fits your style. It fits the aesthetic. It makes you feel good. Why change it? I've decided not to do that anymore. So here we are. I am cleaning, and you will go along with me. And then we will get to the fun part. The reveal. Um, the floor is clean. The bed, you can see it. There's even a peek out my window. You'll see that I have one side of my curtains pulled to the side, and that's for more light. And it allows me, when my deck is blooming and all pretty for the summer, I can just stand and look down on it, and it makes me feel good. So I'm going to give you a peek at that as well. Although the deck is not put together yet for spring and summer, things are blooming and coming back and green, and it's just getting me in the mood. So I always try and wait till after the 15th of the month, because I'm always afraid that I'll plant stuff and then I'll get a frost. So yeah, that's why I'm waiting on that. So again, let's clean, let's get this together, and let's do it to some music.
You don't know how much you mean to me, baby. I can't put it in words. You don't know how much you give to me, baby. You keep making me learn, yeah. You're like a painting hanging on my every wall. Baby, you save me, you give me all and a little more. I can't live without you, yeah. No, I can't live without you. Oh.
Oh, friends, I don't know about your house, but my house gets dusty. Do you have a problem with that? Now, I don't open my windows because of my breathing issues, my asthma, and pulmonary hypertension, but just dust gets in, and I don't understand that. I don't open my windows because right now because of pollen. There are times of the year when I do open both sides and just let fresh air flow because you just need fresh air in your home sometimes. You know, you're all closed up all the time. I just can't do it. So when there's no pollen and it's a nice day, I will open my windows for a while. But they haven't been open since mm, fall. Yeah, yeah. And I only opened them during a certain period of time because, fall allergies are bad as well. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. Do you deal with dust like I do? I don't know what it is, especially when the house is closed. But we're getting it done. We're taking care of it. And I have so much stuff in this little room. But what do we say we're going to do? We're going to make it work. And that's what we're doing. I want it to be pretty or at least aesthetically pleasing, but we're going to make it work. And so that's what we're doing. I hope you're enjoying the video. Please stick and stay till the end, and I'll be back in a bit. Guys, while I'm here, can I ask you to please stick and stay around to the end of the video? Watch till the very end. That really helps my algorithm, which helps my channel to grow. I would certainly appreciate it. Also, leave me a comment below, a thumbs up. And if you're not already, subscribe to the channel. That helps me as well. And I love it when I see new people join. And then for the new people that are here, because there are a few, tell me something about yourself in the comments below. Introduce yourself. Let me know you're a new subby. I would love to hear from you. And now, back to getting it done.
I think I might be over my troubles since you came around. Something struck me. Oh, lately I've been caught up in my mind. Oh, it's not hard to see why I was feeling down. You saw right through it all. Oh, I could not fake it, no matter how I tried. Ooh, you cured my aching heart when you came around. I saw a million signs. I must be over it by now. There's a reason why. I think I might be over my troubles. Yeah, they've been there for so long now. Cause suddenly I think of tomorrow. Yeah, since you came around. I feel like the only one who found out the reason why. Oh, I was just lonely, but since you came around, all I see is tomorrow. When you hear me calling, oh, it's you and me. Ooh, yeah, 'cause I cannot fake it, no matter how I feel. long now. It's over. Suddenly I think of tomorrow. Yeah, since you came around. Yeah, ooh, I feel like the only one who found out the reason why. Oh, I was just lonely, but since you came around, all I see is tomorrow. I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, just remember that I'm here to cheer you on. Yeah, I wanna pick you up from the ground, let you know that I'm always around.
So, my friends, we are coming up on the reveal. I appreciate you so much for sticking and staying with me. And if you're still here, I'm going to ask that you leave me a flower emoji in the comments below. I'd greatly appreciate it. So this is how it all turned out. It's nice, it's clean. Like I said, I did not change the bedding because I love that. And yes, I can close that curtain, but I rarely do because I love looking out on my deck below, as you'll see in a second. And um, I did take the curtains down and wash them. I did not put that on film, but it's done. They're all white and clean. You can kind of tell that I'm thinking. Do you see? Do you see my deck below? Everything is getting green and pretty down below. I just love it. It'll be decorated in an upcoming video as well. So stick and stay. You know how I love to redo what we like to call the treehouse. So this is my family wall. It could be changed, but I love it. I think I may just add some more up-to-date pictures. I have up top that's more up-to-date, but um, they're all growing fast and furious, so I could always add some new photos, just switch them out. But yeah, this is how it turned out. I think that this room, now when I walk in the door, I can breathe a breath of fresh air. It's just clean and fresh, and I enjoy coming in here once again. I didn't a little while ago. That tripod you see standing there stays there most of the time. It's one of those that bend down so that when I am working on crafts, you can see exactly what I'm doing, and it's in a perfect spot. And as I say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, so I just leave it there. My shelves have been decluttered somewhat, but like I said, because this room serves so many purposes, I couldn't take it all out. But I'm happy with it. It feels good, and I like the way it looks when I get up in the mornings and finally make my way across the hall and into this little space. This is my space, and I love it. I hope you do too, and please let me know how you feel about the changes, small they may be, in the comments below. I am going to do what I always do, and that is to wish you all well. I hope that you find something today to bring joy into your life. And once you find that joy, share it with someone else. You'll be so glad that you did. And that's not for them. It's really for you because the feeling is amazing. Just making someone smile, saying hello, helping someone out in the market. A gentleman the other day just took my grocery cart and put it back after I emptied my grocery cart. He had put his over and he came back and he got mine. And I hung around until he walked past me again, and I thanked him for that. I had to let him know I appreciated it. And I told him, you don't find kind people in this world all the time. And when someone is kind to you, you need to let them know it. And he said to me, thank you for telling me that. That will encourage me to help someone else on another day. So, see, it works. Just be kind to someone and share your joy. As you can see, I'm backing out, and this is what I see when I walk across the hall to come into this room in the mornings, and I'm happy with it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Cause I know we can make it. Yes, we can make it if we try. Keep on trying. You got it. I believe in you.